Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can move Windows applications into a different local drive. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started and let's do that. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings option, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon, and then you can go to settings, or another thing you can do is just to make a click here in the Windows icon and then go to settings option, or you can also type here in the Windows search tab settings. And then once you do that, you will see here under best match the settings option. So once you see that, please click on that, and then you will be able to see the settings option here. So here in the left pane, you will see options like home, system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, personalization, and apps. So once you see apps, please click on the apps option. And once you click on that, you will be able to see here another bunch of options. So we have here installed apps, advanced app settings. So if you want to move a window application to another drive, then all you need to do is just to click on the installed apps option here and install and manage apps on your PC. So please click on that, and then you will be able to see all the applications and software that you have installed in your device, just like this. Okay, so all you need to do to move that certain application is just, if you found this three dot icon here in the left, in the right section, or right corner. So you will be able to click that, and then if you see a move option, modify, install, if you see a move option, you can click on that. So since this hasn't any move option here, let's move on with another. Let's try another application or software, because if you don't have any, or if you don't have that move option, then you won't be able to move that certain application to another drive. Okay, so let's look for a application that, let's try this one. So this one, as you can see here, we have advanced options, move option, and the uninstall. So if you click this move option here, you will get this app is currently installed on local disk C. So as you can see, we can see what drive is this application installed on. So if you want to select a drive to move this app, then you can click this drop down button. If you have any other drive, then this will show here. So since I have only two drives, the local disk C and the new volume D, thus it shows here only one. So by default, it's selected new volume D. And if I want to proceed with moving this application to new volume D, then I can click on the move button. And you can also do the same with all the other applications that you want to move if they are movable. For example, let us look for another application. Okay, so let's try this one. These are game application that I have tried. So here we can also do the move option. Just do the same process that what we did earlier. Okay, so if you're done, you can close this one and just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.